saying. Even if I have to Google every word. I promise to use social media responsibly. Which means to heart or like all friends' posts. And resisting the urge to spam chat groups with memes and prayer all at once.
I pledge to live life to the fullest, whether that means doing samba every day or watching Zumba on your YouTube every day or traveling the world. Or simply finish walking 500 meters. Along the street. Without forgetting why I am there. I promise to try new things. Like attempting to figure out TikTok. Tumbling split. Tumbling split and whatever makaya pa sang lawas. Without accidentally going viral. For all the wrong reasons.
Lastly, I solemnly swear to embrace every wrinkle and uban as badges of honor, reminding me of a life well lived through 60 incredible years. And still, plenty more to go. Above all, I vow to be the best version of myself. Enjoying every moment and making memories that will last everyone a lifetime. So help us God. God bless to everyone.
Okay, the wines will be distributed in your seats. Please relax.